Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bing AI image generator step by step. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser and you have to search Bing on Google. So you can open Bing image generator from here and you have to log in before you can continue. So you just have to sign in. For signing in, you need a Microsoft account. Make sure that you have a Microsoft account. So this is the home page. You can see that there are many generated images, and you can see this is the prompt actually. You have to use a prompt to generate an image. The better the detail the prompt is, the better the image is going to be. So make sure you are good with prompts. You can see that you have these boosted tokens here, these boost tokens that you can use. And if you run out of these boost tokens, you can buy it from your Microsoft reward points. And you can see there are two tabs here. First is the create, and the second button is surprise me. Surprise me is usually used when you are out of ideas and you want an idea from Bing. So you can use this to get an idea. So you can see there are a lot of generated images. If I talk about prompt, what you have to do is a prompt always consists of, now this is the formula that I have derived because I use AI generated image a lot of times. So the best way to write a prompt is to divide the prompt in a number of sections. The first section will include an adjective, followed by the second section, which will include a noun. The third section will include a verb, and the fourth section will include the style. Now you have to memorize this formula. It is going to be very helpful to you in the future. And let me just start with the basic prompt. For example, I want a shady alien looking on Earth from a distance in a shady spaceship or UFO. So you can see this is the prompt that I have used. A shady is the adjective. This is the noun, alien. Looking on Earth from a distance is the verb, and digital art is the style. So let's generate this and see how it looks. Here you go. You can see these images are generated from my prompt. You can see this is the perfect representation of my prompt, that a shady alien in a shady UFO is looking on Earth, from a distance. So you can share this, or you can save this on your Bing account, or you can download it. I'll download this in this case. So this is how you use it. And you see, whenever you use a prompt, if you use the boosted method, if you use the boost coins, then after using one prompt, 1 coin is going to deduct. Initially I had 15, now I have 14. So these boost coins are going to refill after every week. So you'll get new coins after every week. This is how you use Bing image generator. I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel for more content. I'll see you in the next video.